In this video, we will demonstrate how to use the Service Connector to upload sequencing run data from your local network storage to an ICA project that is configured to an external cloud storage provider. In other words, sequence to cloud without using a BaseSpace managed project. Say you have a NovaSeq X in your lab that's connected to on-premise network storage. That means the data that comes from these sequencing runs will be located in your local network storage. You can use the Service Connector to get the data in your local network storage automatically into ICA, which will be stored in the cloud in your connected S3 bucket. This will help reduce your local storage burden. Once the data is in ICA, you can leverage the ICA analysis tools to run Dragon analyses. Here, I performed a NovaSeq X run and chose to do a local analysis. You can see the outputs of the run in my local network storage. If we click into this folder, we could see the BCL files are stored. If we want this data to automatically go into ICA, we need to set up a Service Connector. This is the project that we will be working with. You could see that this project is configured to my own cloud storage because of this AWS symbol here. The connected S3 bucket can be found here, and it currently has no data in it because we have yet to set up a Service Connector which will transfer our files from the local network storage to our ICA project. To set up a Service Connector, we would start by clicking into our project in ICA. Once we're inside the project, we can click on Connectivity. Under Service Connectors, click Request New. Put in a name for your Service Connector. Note that this demo is done on a Linux machine. For Windows or Mac OS instructions, you can look at the ICA user docs to see how to set up the Service Connector. Click to add a new upload rule. Give the rule a unique name. Now enter the full path of the local folder containing files to be uploaded. If you want to restrict the file types that will be uploaded under the rule, you can provide a file pattern. You can then add a file tag here to tell ICA what types of files will be uploaded. Since I want all of the data to be uploaded, I'll set the file pattern to all. You can now click Install after creating the desired upload rules to download the installer file. Copy and save the initialization key, which is needed during installation. To run the connector installer, we can open the terminal. Enter the directory that the Service Connector is installed in. Run the installer script with the following command. Now proceed through the installation wizard. Here, you will enter your initialization key that you saved earlier. Ensure that your Service Connector was installed in the desired location. Now, you can start your Service Connector with the following command. Make sure you run this command from your install location. You can check the status of your Service Connector with the following command. Now when we go back to ICA and hit refresh, we'll see that our Service Connector is currently connected. This means that the data we have in our local network drive is being uploaded to ICA. Sure enough, you can already see some of the data appearing here. After some time, you can see that all of my data from my local network folder has been uploaded to ICA. Finally, you can head to your S3 bucket to ensure that your data has been uploaded to the cloud. Here, you can see that the data from your ICA project has appeared. Now that we've discussed how to upload data from your local network storage to the cloud via the service connector, let's discuss some tips to make the process work seamlessly. First, make sure your storage is reliably connected to where your connector is running. Don't try to upload data from a USB disk connected to your laptop. Next, uploading from a server is generally a better idea than from your laptop. Third, transfer speed largely depends on your internet connection as well as how many small files you're uploading. Ensure that you are in a place with strong internet connection. And finally, don't copy data in your upload folder while the connector is still uploading. In this demo, you have learned how to sequence to the cloud without using BaseSpace. To do this, you can upload your runs from your local network storage to an ICA project that is configured to an external cloud storage provider via the service connector. Then, you can leverage the tools in ICA to run analyses on your data. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.